Hello, unang beses po namin sakay ng aeroplano. Magkakasama po kaming lahat. Yung mga bata.
Tambayan mo lang siya tumingin. Eldrick. Hihihin ka nun. Sige. Bayan mo siya tumakbo.
Hindi niya patay ka. May ganito na ako.
Oh.
Teka.
Kan baka mabagsakan na na.
Oy. Mia!
Ay, hinubad.
Mia! Uy!
Oh.
I want the juice.
Dripping!
A treat! I want it more.
Parang ice. Si Mia, totoo pag inabos na ito eh. Si Mia, totoo eh. 1, 2, 3, go! Hindi kaya.
Ano, kaya mo?
Kasi hindi ka tulad si Dadjen ah. Habol! Habol ka ni Mia oh. Uy!
Hello. Mia.
Eldrick, wave. Eldrick, wave.
Kuya.
Kamayo.
Any of your calendar for assistance. Again, the state is 6497, bound for Cebu. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito ang sa Bulipan bilang 6497 patungong Cebu. Mangyari po lamang na tawagin ang pansilang inyong cabin crew kung hindi ito ang inyong tamang lipad.
Say hi!
Sa Bulipan bilang 6497 patungong Cebu.
Oo nga, magkalapit natin. Inshallah.
Hello everyone, this is Dana and together with my team welcome aboard Samco, making first moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart for Cebu. In command of the aircraft is Captain Alfred, ably assisted by First Officer Kelvin. Our flight time is approximately 2 hours.
To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin.
Maalala niya to pag malaki na siya.
9, 8, 7.
Tagal mo lang. Virus na ito. Galaw pa lang yan. Wala pa yung... Inamoy daw siya eh. Ganun. Papagaling ako. Hindi ka. Na daw tayo.
Para wala ng tao.
Tagal.
How do you feel?
Nothing. Siwa ko yung mix. Bawa magbababa tayo sa mga ay, gusto ko na natin eh.
Bumili kayo?
30 isa.
Oo.
Yan kukulit eh. Nagsasabi, I'm hungry.
Dito. Tabi. May island.
Festival Island, oh, malaki. Aking island. Aking island, oh. Aking island. Aking island. Malit na island.
Yan, dito na po kami sa Mactan, Cebu. Mami. What can you say po, sir?
So fun. Hey, can I see that thing alone?